All right, how we doing, everyone? Welcome to another episode Together Achieving Greatness. I am your host, Trevor Gutting, and make sure you like, subscribe, join my channel so you can keep up to date, get all the information, get the latest news, videos that I will be dropping here on my YouTube channel. But today we are going to talk about eating. Who doesn't like eating? Eating is good. Eating is fun. Eating is, for a lot of people, it could be a challenge to eat, to stay lean, to build muscle, to lose fat. Whatever is your goals, eating is a part of it. Or a lot of people actually probably starve themselves trying to not eat and burn fat or reach whatever goals they think all these special fads and stuff like that is. But I want to talk about what my goals on eating are, whether I'm trying to build muscle, whether I'm trying to lose fat, or just stay the same, stay lean, or whatever it may be, whatever my goals are. And I think they can help you too. That's why I want to share it. And that is to eat as much as possible at all times. What do I mean by that? I don't mean just eat as much as possible so you're feeling like complete garbage and crapping your brains out. That's not good. And your pants buttons are shooting off because your belly got too big. I'm talking about eating as much as possible. Let's say our goal is to burn body fat, lose weight. You should try and eat as much as possible while still being able to lose weight. You might be thinking, what? That's why restrict yourself super much and eat super low calories? That's just going to lead to other issues: crushed hormones, low testosterone, feeling like crap, lethargic, no energy, loss of muscle mass. That's not what we want when we're trying to burn fat, lose weight. We should still want to be high energy, have everything we want, but still, because you don't want to, it's not about rapid, it's about, yeah, if you want to do that fad diet crap, lose a lot of weight, then gain it right back on, go do that. That's not what I'm here for. I'm with long-term success, and this way of eating is going to be the best for that. So, eating as much as possible and still losing fat. So you're eating a lot of protein, you're eating a lot of nice quality carbs or fats, depending on what works best for you. Fill out the rest of your calories that way. But you should be trying to lose a little bit of weight, not 10 pounds each week. That's not healthy, and it's not really possible either. I guess it all depends on how much you have to lose. But eat as much as you can while still losing weight, still losing fat. That's key. So how do you do this? You increase your activity level. Maybe you just walk more, move more, fidget more. All these little things rather than sit all the time. You exercise. You have a good strength training programs, power, speed, mobility, cardio. You're doing all this stuff to keep your activity level so you're moving more. Therefore, you can eat more and still lose weight. Yes, you still need to be in a deficit to burn fat, to lose weight, and you can get a slight deficit by doing more. That's a great way to do it. Sleeping more, that's going to help as well. So those types of things. And then when it comes to building muscle, yeah, you could eat everything in sight and just continue, but you're going to add a lot of fat and unwanted fat that you don't want. Yes, you're probably going to add some fat when you're building muscle anyway. That's just part of the process. But if you're eating as much as you can, by gaining as little fat as possible is the goal there with that. So you're eating in a slight surplus, probably not a ton, but you're still doing a lot. You're training a good amount, training hard, training with intent, and you are very active. But you're still able to eat more because you got to eat more to build muscle. So you got to be in that surplus. So these are two good things. And I saw Chad Chile, I don't know how he pronounces his last name. It was Chile or Chile. I think it's just Chile. He made a post about this. Just you should always try to be eating as much as possible while still being able to burn fat or build muscle. And I love that idea. I've been doing that idea because I used to do the opposite, where it's try and restrict yourself and destroy yourself, and it doesn't work out good that way. It's so much easier. You have more energy. You feel better, especially with the trying to burn fat or lose weight. If you're eating as much as you can and you're still able to lose weight, that's what we want, because you're going to feel good. You're not going to have as much hunger, pains. You're going to have the energy. You're going to have strength levels aren't going to decrease. You're not going to lose muscle mass while you're doing it. So that's not what we want. We want to keep our muscle. We want to get rid of that gross looking fat. So, and then with muscle building or gaining mass, we don't want to add a ton of fat. We want to build as much. Sorry, I sound like someone's coming to my door. We want to build as much muscle as possible, but without putting on a ton of fat. So that is key there. So that's how you do it. And again, it's a slight deficit. And if you want to burn fat, a slight deficit while increasing your activity level, but not like super intense where you're going to be dead tired if you're eating a little bit or eating less. You got to learn your body, you got to listen to your body, got to do with what feels good, what feels right, and how your body responds. And again, this takes playing around, it takes working with a coach, it takes doing a lot of different experimenting and trial and error. And then with building muscle, it just means that you're eating in a slight surplus. Maybe you're gaining a quarter pound, a half a pound a week. That's probably a good way to go. Same with losing, probably losing around the same, maybe half a pound a week, something like that. And you're still losing weight, but you're still eating a lot. I can do it where I've been eating like 2,800 calories, and I still lose weight because I'm active. I sleep now, which I didn't before. I manage my stress a lot better. That is a much better way to lose than just cutting down to 1,500 calories and just being dead tired and no energy and no strength and no speed the entire time. That's not the best way to do it. So again, it takes trial, it takes experimentation on figuring out what like your activity levels can be. Make sure you're getting sleep, what's not affecting your sleep, that type of stuff too, because how much you eat can affect your sleep and that stuff as well. So we want to make sure we are managing and figuring out what works best for you. But I think the best way to do it, whether you're trying to burn fat or lose muscle, or burn fat or gain muscle, we don't want to lose muscle unless you're just a roided out freak. Then you might want to lose some of that muscle because a lot of those people just look disgusting. Again, where was it? So yeah, we want to eat as much as possible while still being able to lose weight, burn fat, and we want to eat as much as possible if we're trying to gain muscle, but not gain a ton of fat as well. So right in there, find what works for you, work it out, take the trial, take the error, experimentation. If you need help with that, reach out. I like to have people eat a lot more because you're able to enjoy life. You're able to do the social things you want, and you're not have to worry about, oh, I can't eat this or I can't eat that, or all this stupid stuff that people worry about when they're so nitpicky, when they have bigger things to worry about, bigger issues to worry about. So eat as much as you can when you're in a fat loss phase, while still being able to lose that fat, lose that weight, and eat as much as you can without gaining as much fat as possible when you're trying to build muscle. So that's my idea there, guys. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any comments or questions, drop them below. Otherwise, a nice, short, quick episode here. But again, reach out, drop comments below, questions below, or shoot me an email, trevor@tagpn.com, and we will talk to you again soon. Thanks, guys.